Hello viewers, today our topic is 10th class mathematics, 4th chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. First introduction. Point number 1. Degree of any linear equation is 1. Linear equation means any equation which is having first degree is called a linear equation. But what is degree? The degree is the exponent of any variable. Second point is from 8th class. Standard form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. Here a and b are arbitrary constants and x is only one variable. Its degree is 1, that means exponent is 1, so it is called first degree equation in one variable. It denotes a straight line. That line is parallel to either x-axis or y-axis and it has only one solution. Look at this picture. Here, this horizontal green line indicates x-axis, x and x dash. And the vertical line indicates y-axis, y and y dash. This O is the intersecting point of these two axes is called origin. Look at this straight line. This is called x is equal to k, which is parallel to y axis. And this line is called y is equal to k, which is parallel to x axis. Next point is from ninth class. Standard form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a square plus b square is not equal to 0. This is the condition. What is this meaning? Its meaning the values of a and b should not be equal to 0 at one time. It denotes a straight line. It has infinitely many solutions. Look at this diagram. Here the it is the x-axis, y-axis and origin. This red line indicates a straight line. Its equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation in two variables. Here x and y are the variables and a, b, c are the arbitrary constants. Each and every point on the straight line is its solution. So it has so many infinitely solutions. Next, fourth point is from our 10th class textbook. Standard form of pair of linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two lines are called a single pair. These are three types. Relation between coefficients and nature of system of equations. Let us see. Here are 3 points are written. One is the consistent pair of linear equations. Second is the inconsistent pair of linear equations. And third one is the dependent pair of linear equations. First of all, if we take two linear equations, they may have some solutions or not. If they have one solution, it is called consistent pair. If it has no solution, it is called inconsistent pair. See here. Before we decide either it is consistent or inconsistent, we have to compare the coefficients of those equations. We have to find a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. If it is not equal, then we may tell the two lines are intersecting at any point. Here I take P as the intersecting point. These lines named as L and M. So intersection of L and M is equal to set of P. P is the only one solution to this consistent pair of linear equations. Next point, inconsistent pair of linear equations. Here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not C1 by C2. These lines are L and M are parallel lines to each other. So L intersection M is equal to 5. There is no common point to these two lines. So here it has no solution. Next, third one is dependent pair of linear equations. Here, the ratios are a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then the two lines are coincident lines. That means one line lies upon another line. So, same line is here. It has infinitely many solutions. Any point on the line is its solution. Okay. Now, exercise number 4.1, page number 86, question number 1. By comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find out whether the lines represented by the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel, or are coincident. Here we have given two linear equations. We have to judge, are they intersecting, are parallel, or coincident? First of all, question number A. The given pair of linear equations is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. First of all, we have to compare these coefficients. So, a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7. Next, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. That is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here observe a1 by a2 value is not equal to b1 by b2 value. So the lines intersect at one point. Here the first condition is applicable. Next, question number B. The given pair of linear equations is 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. We have to compare their coefficients. So a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 18. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. That is equal to 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2. 3 by 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. So that is also equal to 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2. So 12 by 24. 12 ones, 12 twos. So that is also 1 by 2. Here the values of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 are the same. That is written here. So here the condition applicable by third condition. The lines are coincident. Next, question number C. The given pair of linear equations is 6x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 6 by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. That is equal to 3. Next, b1 by b2 is minus 3 by minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 is the answer. c1 by c2 is equal to 10 by 9. Okay. Now, compare them. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but is not equal to c1 by c2. Here, the second condition will be applied. So, the lines are parallel. Okay.